A day at the zoo. Sam is a young boy who loves animals. One sunny morning, he wakes up early with a big smile. Today is a special day because he will go to the zoo with his school friends. The sky is clear and blue, and the warm sun shines on his face. Sam is very happy as he gets ready for his day at the zoo. When Sam and his friends meet at the bus stop, they all smile and talk happily. Their teacher, Mr. Lee, stands nearby and speaks in a soft and kind voice. "Today we will have a fun day at the zoo," he says. "Look at the animals, learn about them, and enjoy your time." Sam listens carefully, and his heart beats fast with excitement. The bus ride is short, and soon the bus stops in front of a large gate. It is the entrance to the zoo. At the zoo, there are many wide paths with green trees and bright flowers. Sam sees small signs with the names of the animals. Every sign is easy to read. He likes to read the simple words and look at the pictures on the signs. The first stop is the monkey house. When Sam goes inside, he sees many playful monkeys. They swing from branch to branch and make funny sounds. One monkey eats a banana, and another looks at its reflection in a small mirror. The monkeys make everyone laugh, and Sam claps his hands in joy. Next, the group walks to see the elephants. The path is wide and has soft grass on the sides. At the elephant area, Sam looks at these big animals with kind eyes. There are 3 elephants, and they are very calm. One elephant raises its trunk slowly, as if it is saying hello to the visitors. Another elephant is eating leaves from a tall tree. Mr. Lee tells his class, "Elephants are smart and gentle animals. They live in groups and help each other." Sam listens carefully and thinks about how nice it is when friends help one another. After the elephants, the class moves to the lions area. The lion is the king of the zoo. Sam feels both excitement and a little bit of fear when he sees the lion. The lion is resting under a large tree and sleeps quietly. The warm sun makes a soft light on his golden fur. Even though the lion is very big, he looks peaceful and calm. Mr. Lee explains that lions live together in a family called a pride. Sam is glad to learn that strong animals also have families and friends. Then, the class goes to a place where many birds fly freely. There is a small lake with bright blue water and a path that goes around it. Many birds live here, and they sing nice songs. Sam sits on a small bench and listens to the birds chirp happily. Some birds have bright red feathers, and others show yellow and green colors. Their songs sound like soft music that makes Sam feel calm. He feels as if the birds are telling a friendly story with every sound. A short time later, Sam and his class go to the reptile house. The building is cool and a little dark, but the animals are interesting. Sam sees a big turtle moving slowly on a warm rock. There is also a small snake that rests quietly in a clear glass case. The snake moves its head slowly, and Sam watches it carefully. Mr. Lee tells his class, "Reptiles live in warm places. They like to sit on rocks and in the sunshine." Sam nods and smiles because he learns something new with each visit to a different animal area. After the reptile house, it is time for lunch. The class sits in a large open area with many picnic tables. Sam sits on the soft grass with his friends. They share sandwiches, fruits, and cool water. While they eat, they talk about the animals they have seen. They say kind words about the monkeys, elephants, lions, and birds. Sam feels happy when he hears his friends share their small stories about the animals. The joy of talking with each other brings many smiles to the children. After lunch, Mr. Lee asks the children to draw their favorite animal on a piece of paper. Sam decides to draw the funny monkey he saw earlier. He sits under a tall tree and uses simple crayons to make his drawing. He draws the monkey swinging from a green branch, and he adds a bright yellow sun in the sky above. Sam thinks that drawing helps him remember the fun moments he had at the zoo. Later, the class takes a short walk along a winding path that goes near a small, clear stream. The sound of the water is soft, and the stream looks like a long, shiny ribbon. On the bank, there are many small fish that swim quickly. Sam kneels down to watch them play in the water. He giggles when he sees a fish darting from one rock to another. Mr. Lee explains, "Water is home to many tiny creatures, just as land is home to other animals." Sam listens carefully and feels that every part of nature has its own special story. Before the school bus comes to take them back home, the class visits a very special place in the zoo, a small, lovely garden. This garden is filled with pretty flowers and little safe ponds. The garden is calm, and the children walk slowly on the smooth path. Sam touches a bright red petal and whispers, "It is so soft." Mr. Lee tells them that gardens are important because they bring beauty and peace to the world. Sam thinks the garden is a magical place where nature shows its kindness. At last, the day at the zoo comes to an end. Sam and his friends gather near the big gate again. They talk about all the animals they have seen and all the fun they had. The bus ride home is quiet and calm. Sam sits by the window and watches as the zoo becomes smaller and smaller in the distance. Even though he is tired, he feels very happy and full of new ideas. He knows that his day was full of joy and learning. When Sam gets home, he tells his family about his amazing day at the zoo. He explains how the monkeys played happily, how the elephants moved slowly, and how the lion slept peacefully under a tree. He also shows his drawing of the monkey and his simple notes about the birds and the pretty garden. His family listens with big smiles and asks many questions. Sam feels proud because he shares what he has learned in a clear, simple way. As the sun sets and Sam gets ready for bed, he thinks about the wonderful animals and the kind people he met during his day at the zoo. He knows that the zoo is a special place where animals live freely and where children learn about nature and kindness. Sam feels that every animal has a little story, and every day is a chance to learn something new. With a happy heart, he closes his eyes and dreams of playful monkeys, gentle elephants, and friendly birds. The day at the zoo teaches Sam that nature is full of beautiful surprises. He learns that animals are our friends who share the world with us, and that every living creature has its own special place. Sam understands that every small moment can be important, and every moment brings a new lesson for him to remember. With each smile and every laugh, he sees that life is full of kind and gentle moments. Before the school bus leaves the zoo, Sam meets an older man named Mr. John near the entrance. Mr. John has many years of wisdom in his kind eyes, and he loves to tell stories about the animals in the zoo. "When I was a young boy," Mr. John says in a quiet voice, "I came to the zoo many times. I learned that every creature, big or small, has its own way of living happily." Sam listens to Mr. John carefully and feels that his words are like a soft song in his heart. Mr. John tells Sam to always be curious and to learn from nature. for it always has a kind lesson for everyone. As the day turns into evening, Sam remembers all the moments that made his day so special. The laughter of his friends, the gentle voice of Mr. Lee, and the wise words of Mr. John all stay with him. Sam is filled with a warm feeling inside, like he has collected many small treasures that he will keep in his heart forever. When the night is deep, Sam lies in bed and dreams of another beautiful day. He dreams of a day when he will visit the zoo again with his friends, learn more about the animals, and share his own small stories. His heart is full of simple joys, and he knows that every day can be special if he takes time to learn about life and nature. Sam's day at the zoo lives on in his mind as a happy memory. The kind lessons from the playful monkeys, the calm elephants, the peaceful lion, the singing birds, and the graceful fish all join together to show him that life is made of many little moments. By keeping his mind open, Sam learns that every step in the world is a new chance to see something different and to grow with each happy memory. And so, as the soft moon shines through his window, Sam smiles and whispers, "Today was a good day," before drifting into a peaceful sleep.